Let's pass these challenges real quick. We had a rough day on YouTube today. My goodness, I don't know if I will continue live streaming on YouTube. I mean, if you want to be a part of our live streams, just click the link below and join our Zoom. But I was going to do live streaming for free every day, but it is not working on my account. So we are going to pass these challenges. I'm going to pull a break even here. $1,500. I'm going to use 5 contracts today. See how we do here.
Order filled.
Oh, it's almost 11, so hold on. We're going to wait here for a second. We're on the 15-second chart.
Order filled.
Let's do this right. This is right around our entry point of earlier today where I said I wanted to be. I'll pull it up close since I'm doing 5 contracts. So basically where we were. This is the 10 a.m. candle that doesn't have a wick on the other side of it. We're going to see if we tap down into that area. We might not. So let's get $1,500 on these. I made money in my live accounts today. It's just my TopStep. I accidentally opened 5 contracts on something I meant to open 2 contracts with. And I know I'm trading with 5 contracts now because I want to quickly just make the $1,500 and move. But outside of that, I accidentally opened that, lost like $795 instantly. So that was an accidental mistake. And then today was just a really rough day. And I kind of want to get us back to where we are so we can start fresh tomorrow, exactly where we were today, and be golden. See a nice little pullback. If you have the Firestorm indicators, you would know why I'm talking about this wick on the other side. Basically, like part of my 5-minute candle hack strategy. So I'm going to pull the break even here. Like I said, I don't want to risk anymore. And we're going to see what happens. We'll wait this out. So here. And then we pulled down to break even. So you got the gist. Live trading, just get this out of the way, get it done, come down, make our $1,500 for the day, and move on. Like I thought we were going to do. So I got stopped out a few times today because the market was just absolutely absurd, and we unfortunately didn't get to make our $1,500 to pass these challenges. So I'm obviously restarting. But this was a signal I had earlier. Come down, tap into this area. There you go. Now you can see everything. Patience is key. Patience is key. You got that 2-minute candle pullback happening. I am going to risk $150 only because 2-minute or the 5-minute candle usually does a pullback around the 2-minute mark and then continues into whatever direction it's going to go. So I'm willing to risk $150 on it and see where this goes. I really think it's going to come back down here. But that pullback usually like devours that whole 5-minute candle almost. And then we'll continue back down in that same direction. Or we'll completely flip. So we'll see. It is 11 o'clock, so not much of a wick has been left on the other side of that 1 minute, or not 1 minute, 1 hour candle open. It's just dancing around here, isn't it, today? Luckily, my son, he's 11 months old, he took a nap. He went to sleep. He slept the entire Zoom call, so he didn't have to sit on my lap and play with my keyboard. It was pretty good. I just realized that my mic is pulled away. Hopefully, you were able to hear me the whole time, because my mic was pretty far. Sorry. My goodness, NASDAQ. Been so out of sorts today, leaving wicks everywhere. Absolutely awful. I wouldn't be surprised if we made a move like all the way down in the last 18 seconds here, because that's just how NASDAQ has been lately. What does the firestorm indicator say? They say that we're still pushing on down. Ridiculous. What's that 15-minute chart looking like? Oh, looks like we're going to continue pushing on down. I'm going to pull the break even. There we go. Patience is key. This is what I was looking for earlier today. Whoa. That was literally for no reason. That should have came down much lower than that. I'm going to give it a little more room again, only because that was ridiculous. Wow. NASDAQ. Just showing its true colors today. I still expect a wick on the other side of that 4 hour right here from the 10 a.m. open. We just shot up and we did not pull back. And that's what I was waiting for, a pullback today like we usually would do, but today we just didn't get it. Ridiculous. Come on. You're close enough.
Order filled.
There you go. Made my $1,500 for the day. We are set for tomorrow. I will see you on the live stream tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. If you want access to the Firestorm indicators, click the link below. If you want access to our Zoom call, click the link below. I will try again and Zoom on YouTube tomorrow, but there is going to be a delay. So if you see this know that there is a delay, and you can click the link in the description, and we'll always have a Zoom that you'll be able to enter. So, with that being said, we made money on our live accounts today on the live stream. I made over $300 on my accounts. Well, in total, all of them together ended up being like, what, like, oh, 1,400 bucks. 1,400 bucks total. And then trading on MetaTrader 5, which I am in the US, by the way. A lot of people think that you can't trade MetaTrader 5 in the US. You can. And trading MetaTrader 5 with Firestorm Nitro on the gold chart, I made $200 on complete autopilot. So that was beautiful. On Nitro, I think I'm up for what? The history for. Oh, let's look at the history for the past couple days. From. Oh, not entire history. Let's do past week. So, past week, I am up. Whoa. Can we get a straight answer here? It won't tell me. Anyway, I was up 3,800 on Friday, so you could say I'm up $4,000 on a week in a couple days, a day. So that's a beautiful gain for the past week and a day, and I'm happy with it. So that's using Firestorm Nitro, my automated trading robot. We made money today using the 5-minute candle hack method. So if you don't know what that is, get the Firestorm indicators. I teach it a ton. And this is kind of like a good example of it. You leave a wick on one side, you catch the continuation on the other side. That's basically what part of the 5-minute candle hack is. Obviously, I break it down more in depth inside of the course. And then you have the Firestorm indicators that can send signals directly to your phone. The only indicators on the market with an accuracy meter. We were the first company to come out with it 4 years ago. So everybody else has their trading algos that don't have any accuracy meter on it, and they give signals. Well, goal in Firestorm was to give you an accuracy meter with every single signal so you know the accuracy of that trade, and it's based on the strength of the volume and the orders in the market as well. So this is a great opportunity if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn completely from scratch and you have no knowledge of this. Join the Firestorm Indicators. You won't regret it. We have an awesome community there. Like I said, we go live every single morning, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And you know where to find all that in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on my personal Instagram or on my personal business, or my business page for Firestorm Trading. So I have Day Trading Mom Life, and then I have Firestorm Trading. Please don't fall for any scammers. We have lots of scammers happening lately, and it's absolutely insane with the amount of them that are claiming they're the CEO and the founder of the company. They are not. I am. I know they're mostly all men that are sitting there saying that they're the founder and I'm just a customer support agent. That is not true at all. Please don't fall for that. I got like 5 messages yesterday of people getting scammed out of $1,000 because they claim to be the founder and they claim to have coded our bots when they did not. So please make sure you only reach out to our verified pages that are on Instagram, which is Firestorm Trading and then Day Trading Mom Life. That's where you'll be able to get the full version of the indicators and my automated trading robots. I will see you tomorrow, and thank you for hopping on.